Today I'm going to talk about how can you really purchase real estate with no money of your own. Hi, this is Vinny Chopra. You might have seen me all over the internet. I have been the one who also wrote the book, Apartment Syndication Made Easy, became international top seller. Then Positivity Brings Profitability is another book. And my third book with the Senior Living Investing. Thank you so much for all your love and encouragement. Today I'm going to talk about how can you really purchase real estate with no money of your own. Whether you don't even have a credit to your name and you don't have liquidity, you don't have net worth and zero experience. Wow. You say, Vinny, how can I do that? It's all the mindset. I will say, first of all, if you really want to change your lifestyle, you got to really, take care of your mind and say, yes, I can learn, I can understand, I can learn the mechanics of how to really pooling money together from other people. We call it, OPM, other people's money, and the net worth also. I'll be able to teach you totally how you could really use your experience, what you have been doing without any, net worth of your own. Will be able to reach out to great people in your circle of influence who have the kind of net worth you are looking for, who have the money in the bank as liquidity, and who know that if you are putting efforts and getting a good mentor and a good coach, and you can share with them that, this is what I'm learning and understanding and underwriting, and you are able to, talk to the brokers and get to these particular emerging markets, I call it, because we teach all those things in our academy. And the good part is we take you and spoon feed you with every document that you might need. That's the exciting part, because we have done it so many times, and our students, hundreds of them, have just been so special. I mean, they're just syndicating deals and raising tons of money and getting into 120, 150 million portfolios in a very short period of time, actually, But the big thing is, you got to take action. You got to first mindset, and say, do some research, please do some research, free research and all that. Find out why multifamily is the main reason. There's a ton of information on our channel, my channel, on YouTube. Go through them, and blogs are there. Of course, you can go on the website, you learn a lot, and we put out so many postings, and podcasts are there, so many great podcasts. But when you really have done the research, I'll say choose a mentor who has done it before, so that he could take you through at a very short period of time into the success, and whatever money you will pay that mentor or a coach, you'll make 10 times, 100 times, right away. But the thing is, they will take you through all the things not to do, not to blow the deal, not to take your investors, and how to get into the circle of influence and get into the, brokers, and how to talk to them good so that they can start giving you deals, off-market deals, all those things that comes from experience and scripts and understanding the psychology behind relationships with the brokers, relationships with the investors, and all those things are so very important, because they are the two plates I talk about in my book also. There's audio version too. Maybe you want to listen to, I know I met somebody in Florida just 2 weeks back. He says, Vinny, I didn't want to fly. I wanted to drive 4 hours because I wanted to listen to you again and again and again. That was so kind of him. Anyway, not boasting, but the thing is, you will have everything in your hands to understand the ins and outs of raising money, how to get the net worth, people in your influence and around you, how to ask them to be co-partners with you, and then you put the sweat equity with learning the business with zero experience, and now combining those three things together, the net worth, the liquidity with your partner, and your experience coming together with the underwriting and talking to brokers, it will be a tremendous team and you'll be able to get your first apartment. I promise you that. I don't guarantee too much things, but the things we teach, they are working for our students like crazy. And look forward to chatting with you and hopefully getting you into the academy and maybe even personal coaching. If you are really a great candidate, you can afford have a personal coaching with me on a weekly basis, and we can take you to the highest level. We'll be reaching $1 billion now in our portfolio, and it's going to be 2 billion, 3 billion, like that. But I started with one duplex, and I also started with 14 units for $180,000. Remember that, $180,000, 14 units and a duplex. I still own that duplex, but the key thing is you could scale your business to the as high level as you want. There is hard work involved. It's not everything on a silver platter, but you got to, if you're willing to put forth the effort, like the 5% in this country do. 95% don't do anything at all. It's the 5% who really set up their mind and are different and have the successful habits and goals set and really learn the materials, how to invest in, where to find these properties off market and how to get loans and all those things. We do that for you as you join us. So good luck to you. God bless you. This is Vinny Chopra.